Imagine a gel so small, yet powerful enough to challenge decades of pills and treatments. Doctors worldwide are being forced to rethink everything they knew about men's health. So, what is this tiny gel and why is everyone talking about it in 2025? Welcome to Health Prism, where we uncover breakthroughs shaping the future of men's health. Today's topic is causing headlines everywhere. A new gel that's leaving both patients and experts shocked by its results. Stick around till the end, because what you'll discover could change the way you think about ED treatment forever. This tiny gel, known as Eroxon, has gained global attention because unlike traditional pills like Viagra or Cialis, it doesn't need to be swallowed, digested or processed through the liver. Instead, you simply apply it to the skin, and within just minutes, it gets to work. Doctors are stunned because the speed of action is something rarely seen in ED treatments. Instead of waiting 30 to 60 minutes like with pills, reports show noticeable effects in under 10 minutes. For men struggling with timing, that's revolutionary. Another reason this gel is shaking up the medical world, it's drug-free. Instead of chemicals flooding your system, it uses a unique stimulant gel technology that triggers a natural response. That means fewer side effects, and potentially safer use long-term. Medical journals in the US and Europe are publishing early results, and health forums are flooded with men sharing their experiences. Some call it the future of ED treatment, while others warn it's still too new for long-term conclusions. So here's the big question. Is this tiny gel really the future of ED treatment, or just another hype? Doctors may be shocked today, but the final verdict will come from men who try it themselves. One thing is clear, in 2025, this gel has already changed the conversation.